I went to Maine and fished in the creek for smallmouth, another species. Check it out.
It goes if you go back in that corner, you can go all the way down.
You should just take the Viking boat out there.
Water.
Okay, here we go. Okay, there are fish in here. Fish. What is it? Yes. Asher.
What is it?
It's a smallmouth.
First smallmouth on a fly rod?
No, I caught one before, but first one for me here. Found the juice. Look at this right here. They don't know where this is. Here's a fish. Yay! Caught another smallmouth on the fly rod. I love catching these smallmouth on the fly rod. So much fun. Alright, let's let this fish go. I was up there a few minutes ago and I caught one out of the pool way up there above the waterfall. Now underneath the waterfall, and there's still smallmouth down here, which is pretty cool. Another one. Yay. Baby one. Smallest one yet. Nice looking fish on the fly rod. Hey, that's a different species. That's a pumpkin seed, I think. It's a nice fish. That's a big fish, or bigger fish. What is that thing? Is that a white perch? I think that's a white perch. So cool, I caught a white perch. I don't catch these too often. It's a really nice fish. I don't catch these too often. Let's let it go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't that exciting. I didn't catch any big fish, but it was still fun to use my fly rod in the little creek beneath the waterfall. There's going to be another video or two of my Maine trip if you want to check it out. Not posted yet, but they will be within the next week, so check those out when they do post. So hit subscribe so you can check them out when they do come out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, LoganFishing02, as well as Snapchat, Logan_Berube. They will be in the video description. Bye.